Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing power and discharging stored charge so components reset. This clears many false error lights. Once unplugged, remove the graphics card and monitor cable so you can inspect contacts closely. Make sure to take out the CMOS battery for 1 to 2 minutes to reset firmware defaults. That often resolves misreported VGA errors. While the system is open, look for bent pins, dust, or burn marks, and gently clean contacts with compressed air before reassembly. Once done with basic cleaning, reseat the GPU making sure the PCIe latch clicks and power connectors are solid. Loose power is a common culprit. If your CPU has integrated graphics, boot without the GPU to see if the red VGA light persists. This isolates the card versus motherboard issue. Also test with a single RAM stick and different DIMM slots because memory faults can trigger VGA error reporting. Changing parts narrows down which device is failing. You now handle firmware and power. Update the motherboard BIOS if updates address GPU compatibility, using USB flashback if you cannot boot. Make sure the PSU supplies correct voltages. Substitute a known good power supply to eliminate underpowering. If the red VGA light remains after these steps, document error patterns, try the GPU in another system, and test the motherboard with a known good GPU. Troubleshooting tip: intermittent lights often mean power or seating issues rather than immediate component death.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.